Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if you're new, and today I'm gonna be heading to brunch with my cousins. So I wanted to get ready really quick and take you along with me for the day. Let's get started. Please make sure you subscribe and you follow me on all my social media. I'm going to use the Smashbox Pore Filling Primer, and I'm going to use the Photo Finish Foundation by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade 365C Soft Beige. Now that we have that down, I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. Lately, I've been really liking the Sigma E40 brush, which I usually use to blend out my eyeshadow for concealer. With the lightest amount that's left on the brush, I'm just going to brush that along my eyelids. Naturally neutral, and this is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And the rest of the face to make sure that I stay matte and oil free and sweat proof. Use the e.l.f. complexion brush to dust all of that away. Now that that's done, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back with the finished product. If you want to check out my eyebrow tutorial, the eyebrow tutorial is up here in the cards. I'm going to use this palette to bronze up, highlight, and contour the face, and I'm also going to be using this for blush. I pinned back the hair so you guys can see a little bit better. I'm just gonna contour and bring some color back into my face. And this is the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. This is a really, really good brush. Now I'm mixing just caramel and hula together. Just gonna clean up under that with my Airspun powder. I'm going to apply Coralista and Gold Rush to my cheeks. The Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. I'm going to apply Cookie as the highlight. Blend it out with the Sigma E40. You guessed it, set one more time. I'm going to do my lashes off camera real quick and I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm gonna apply a wing. So the lashes are kind of giving me a hard time, but these are the Lily lashes in NYC, and these were gifted to me by my cousin. And I just applied some black liner on the outer parts and the inner rim, and I'm going to apply some of the ColourPop. This is Crybaby. I'm gonna put this on the inner part of my eyes. And I'm only gonna apply mascara on the outer part of my lashes on the bottom. Set my brows with my Clinique High Impact Mascara. I'm going to apply this Italia lip liner, and this is in mauve. And if you hear the air conditioner, I'm sorry, it's like right here. Now that my lips are lined, I'm going to use the Sephora number 6. This is their liquid lipstick, and I love these liquid lipsticks. I'm going to apply the Cookie highlighter just to my brow bone and my inner tear duct. And we are done. I'm going to head out and I'm gonna take you along with me, so let's go. This is the outfit. It is a two-piece. I'm wearing a fanny, wearing like a lacy bra here, my jean jacket, and my Toms. Comfort over everything, right? Actually gonna stop and get some gift cards because I changed my mind on the gifts that I had already bought, so we're gonna get into the Stater Brothers right here real quick. Great parking, sir. Great parking. I went with Ulta gift cards for them and I hope they like it. Let's get started on the road. Finally made it.
Happy birthday to the both of you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ladies. Happy birthday.
She's really excited about this shit. How old are you today? 40.
32, babe.
40.
32? You're younger than me.
We ended up at Buffalo Wild Wings and they have a full-length mirror, so I had to take advantage of it. This is the final look on the outfit. It was very comfortable. By the way, I do love these lily lashes. And I'm finally on my way home.
I just got home from the brunch, and of course, the first thing that comes off is the lashes. I'm about to change and get comfortable. About to take the makeup off. And this guy...
Sit. Speak. Let's go.
Now we're just gonna hang out with the guys and watch the Dodger game.
One eternity later.
Actually, I have to get some food going, so I'm going to boil a whole chicken in the pressure cooker. If you've never used a pressure cooker, it's really awesome because it cuts down the amount of time that you have to cook on a stovetop by like a third. So usually this 4.6 chicken would take me about an hour or so to cook all the way through, but it only takes me 10 minutes in the pressure cooker and then about 15 minutes in the oven. And if you've never used a pressure cooker, it is pretty serious, so read the instructions. Even just 10 minutes, the chicken is falling off the bone. I am still going to add it to the oven because I want the skin to get crispy. I chopped up some veggies and I added it to a couple cups of the chicken broth. And with the rest of the broth, I'm going to make some molokhia, which is jute plant. This is a Middle Eastern meal that my family enjoys and I really, really love it. I sauteed some garlic in butter and added it to the molokhia and the broth. One chicken gave us 3 different meals that are gonna last for probably a couple days at least. And this is what we had for dinner: molokhia, the vegetable soup, and the chicken. I do like to cut up the chicken and add it to the soup and the molokhia. After dinner, I'm gonna get cozy in my robe and my recliner and watch some TV. It is bath time and I'm going to choose a bath bomb, and I'm also going to be adding some of this Epsom salt to the water. I chose this Dreamy Night Sweet Romance bath bomb, and now I'm going to add some bubbles. Clearly I love this brand, and the Relax Relief one is really nice and makes my skin really soft. I'm actually gonna take off my makeup before I get in. Had to put my fro up. Now I'm gonna add the Epsom salt to the water and then the bath bomb. Watching my husband play Xbox for a little bit and then I'm off to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.
Alright, now that the brides, we are gonna be doing some brunch this morning.
And I'm gonna be using this palette by, what is it by? Oh, Benefit. I'm going to apply Gold Rush and Carolina. What is it?
ايه يا ياسمين ايه
بصور عشان الفيديوهات يا بيا. اسمك ايه انتي؟
What's going on?
يلا